You may not realize it, but we actually do really try to hold back the holidays around here. But we've got a plan. We've got to look ahead, get excited like Emmy about what's coming down the pipe. Today's creative project is super cute, and admittedly, we're kind of letting it loose. A green and overflowing witch's cauldron is one decorating and party piece that you will see in many forms this year. It seems natural that balloons should be your bubbles. This Easy for Anyone project is brought to us by balloon artist Mary Leishman, who isn't holding back. You're here for it.
I'm here for it.
Let's go.
Here for Halloween.
Let's go.
No, it's the first week of fall, but to me that means Halloween.
Fall equals Halloween.
Fall equals Halloween.
Favorite holiday?
Favorite holiday. Yes, I'm one of those Halloween nuts.
Really?
Yes, who goes crazy, throws a party, does costume contests. Love Halloween.
There was a Studio 5 poll on Instagram. It gave you 4 choices if you only had to choose one for fall. It was like all the pumpkin, changing leaves, Halloween, and I think the second was like cozy and cuddly clothes and blankets. You would choose Halloween.
I might choose changing leaves.
That was my select.
But Halloween would be a close second.
Okay, all right. You are bringing the very first taste of Halloween to Studio 5 for 2022. Tell us what we're making.
Okay, we're gonna make one of these today. It looks a little complicated, but it's actually super duper easy. It only takes about 20 minutes and it'll last you like a solid week, I'd say.
So you could stretch this over like 2-3 parties.
Oh, totally, which is why it's so perfect. I also think that it's really unique, pretty versatile. You could give it as a gift, put it on your porch.
You know what I just heard you say?
What?
Which is why it's so perfect. Anyone else hear that? Just me? Just me?
Which is why it's so perfect. Yes.
I love it. All right, made out of balloons. This is super duper adorable. Tell us how to make it.
Yes, I'm gonna tell you how to make it. So this big balloon right here is a 24-inch balloon. You can also use, you can use 36-inch. Get them at Zerkers, and all you do is blow one of these up, and then you take these are called 260Qs. You'll recognize them as the ones balloon artists use for balloon animals. What you're gonna do, sorry, let me turn this on, is blow one of these up.
Okay.
And then tie the 2 ends together, just like this.
Okay.
Here we go.
It's a loop.
It's a loop. And pretend that I haven't already tied it, put it on here. I would then just use the glue dots or glue tape.
Okay.
Put it on here and secure it really well.
Is this sort of the next step in balloon artistry, at least for the DIYer, where we're creating things?
Oh, yeah.
Right? It's like back in the scrapbook days. Die cuts came around.
Exactly.
And we got comfortable with, the die cuts, and then we started to layer the die cuts. You know what I mean? Like color the die cuts, and now I feel like we're doing that with balloons. Yeah,
we're doing bigger balloons. We're using the 260Qs. Yeah. We're using 5-inch balloons.
How fun.
All we're gonna do is put this on top and put one on the bottom. And then for our bubbles, we're gonna use 5-inch balloons. Do you wanna blow one up?
No.
Okay. I know how much you hate balloons.
Do I have to? That was an honest answer. Okay.
All we're gonna do is make a clump of 4 by tying 2 and 2 together.
And these are the little guys?
Yeah, these are the little guys, and we're gonna do the exact same thing that we did with that 260Q. We're just going to use the glue dots, the glue tape.
Yeah. It really makes them ball-like when you group them together like that.
And then all you're gonna do is put them on one. So I'm gonna put it on this orange one.
Okay.
Peel it off. And then stick it in. And I'm gonna repeat that process until the cauldron is bubbling over.
And the glue dot will hold.
The glue dot will hold. I'll also secure it in a couple more places, but generally speaking, the glue dot will hold. You could do it all one color. You could do all green bubbles.
I saw the googly eyes too. That's a fun little touch, an accessory.
Yeah, aren't those fun?
Really
These
cute.
little guys.
This is so fun, Mary. And the bottom is just one of those, what did you call them?
Yes, 260Qs.
260Qs.
It is the exact same as the top. And Cakes by Courtney, she always talks about, Courtney Rich, how there's a back and a front to every cake. That is true with your balloon cauldron. As you can see, this is where we tied it on the top and bottom. So make sure that you make the front really pretty.
Cute.
And then you make...
This is so cute.
You hide the back.
And I know you had a bunch of different kind of inspiration projects that led you to this. There's also a variation with like a trick-or-treat basket.
Oh, yes. There is this amazing trick-or-treat basket. You could do the exact same thing, except use an orange balloon, maybe put your die cut, your vinyl to create a face. Yeah. And then use candy.
Look how
use balloons as candy
cute.
instead of bubbles.
This is fantastic. And the parties do start to pile up toward the end of October, like
Yes.
the classroom party, the family party, the neighborhood
Totally.
party. So make this once and let it be your party piece for the
yeah.
whole week. All right, and while we're a little more accustomed to garlands, I have to point out the bats are super fun. And this orange matte color is unique. How did you accomplish that?
Oh yeah, we've talked about this before, but that was made with double stuffing.
What's
what
inside?
we did is we used a bright orange balloon and put black inside.
Ooh.
And then these are matte. You can't buy matte balloons, but they're matte because we left them outside in the sun. And so it took away the shine, made them matte, which is a very cool effect for fall.
I like that.
Yeah.
Also, why can't we buy matte balloons? Is that a gap in the market?
I think so.
I mean, the moodiness of this orange hue with the double stuff, the black balloon inside, orange on the outside, little dust from the rain. It is very Halloween. Mary, you've done it. Thank you so much. Where can we see more of your fun ideas and your projects and even enlist you to help with our parties?
Yes, you can find me on Instagram at Mayberry Balloon Co. and my website is the same, www.mayberryballoonco.com.
Mayberry Balloon Co. And don't DM us because her sweater is so cute, but it's not from this year.
Sorry, guys.
Yeah, you had to buy that a few years back, but that's a keeper. That's super cute. We love you. Thank you so much.